Outside.
Hello. Service error.
May libero pala kayo dun, no? Next game, FS KBG1. FS KBG1, next game. Happy.
Serving. So the service up by much.
Net ball.
What will the center do?
Net ball.
Gonna get the noise, and it's not good. Score is 4-3. And still in favor of number.
Happy.
Oh, 4-3. Serving, Mochi. Long service, bad reception. Nasa Jude sa 4. 4 and it's not over. Score is 0-4. Service again, Mochi. It's a short service. Pinasa 3 Mati Jenny. Looking for a check ball, inat ni Raj. Chance ball by Mochi, Nadulo. Nice reception. What will the center do? Pinasa 3 into drop ball. Still good. Binigay sa drop. Binigay sa up by the center. The toss. Another chance ball. What will the center do? And a missed communication for the center. And the Sparker. Point is 5-4. Service. Jenny. The great. Up. Raj. And with a hard ball. Nataas but it's not over. Score is all 5. Shout out po sa ating best in dance, Miss Donald from Cebu. Raj, service. Hard service by Raj. Up by June Tados, binigay, and it's not over. Score is 6-5. Now in favor of Team Mochi.
7-13. 7-13.
Raj. And miscommunication, it's a service ace. Point Team Mochi, our score is 7-5. Service error. Point team. Service, Jude. That's the dug up by Raj. Nasa 3. And another dug up by Jude. Pinasa si Coach A. Binigay at Jen sa kabila. Mochi with the set. To Kuya Ori. Chance ball. What will the center do? To the up and create a land with the check ball. Point Team Aaron, our score is all 7. Shout out. Still serving. Jude from Marituke. Dagag by Pioli. Mr. Susie, chance ball. What will the center do? And it was inside.
Last 2.
8-7. Still in favor of
Wala
Team
nang alisan FS ha.
by Wood and dug up. And chance ball. What will the team do? Another chance ball from both teams. What will they set it to? Pinasa Mochi sa dos. Free ball for Jay Wood. And again, Merry Christmas. Point team. Hindi ko alam kung anong team sila. Score natin is all 8. Wow. Service. Nice bagot. Pinasa Mochi sa dos. Open and it's not over. Point team Koche. Official score natin guys, it's 9-8. Still in favor of. Long service, put it up, back row attack. Raj, not over. Still on the point, it's still A. Our score is 10-8. Still in the service line. Guys, back up, right turn. Bila sa 4 sa 3.
FS is stay.
What was
FS is
it?
stay.
Bigay sa 2.
KBG1.
Last up. Mochi with it up. Sa 2. And it was a miss. Calculated attack. Okay.
KBG1, let's game. KBG1, FS is stay. FS is stay. Let's go, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. FS is in lane. Next game, KBG1. KBG1.
Nice received by Coach Shea. Bigay sa 3. Coach Shea. And down the line. Our score is 12-9. Tatlo lang daw yan, sabi ni Mr. Ranch. Is Tim going to catch up or will the team of Coach A will dominate this game? Let us all find this out. Binigay sa toss with a cut shot and it was inside. The point team Coach A 13-9. Special shout out po pala kay Donald. Ay. Mr. Steve, chance ball. What will the set it to? And it was not over. Our score is 13-10. 3-point deficit by Team A. Tatlo lang daw sabi ni Raj. Oli. And it was outside. Too much juice in the service. It's now 14-10. Last 2 for Team A. Nice service. Dug up by Raj. Bigay sa 4. And it's still not over. Match point Team A. Official score is 15-10. Match point. Another service. Dug up by Mochi. Bigay sa 2. Raj. And it was not over. And congratulations to Team A for winning their game. First game. Our next game is... And the next game. Next game is... Our next game will be 1 versus 3. Again, 1 versus 3. Hello. Again, shout out po pala sa ating friends from Alriga and Egypt. Ang pambansang Egyptian. And this communication by the center and number 4. Up by Donald to Dos, another miscommunication. Our score is 2-love. Gumanang kanyang 99% of the brain. It was inside surface 6. Another services. It's a back-to-back aces by Team 3. Official score is 4-2 in favor of team number 3, Team Donald. Service. Another floater service. Nice back up. Chance ball, Rod with the center 2. Binigay sa dos. And cross-court attack is Donald, do not ask. Pinasa 4, pinatalo sa ate. Binigay sa dos. Ronaldo, drop shot, and pancake is not good according to our referee. Point team number 1. Nice service. Dagat by Donald sa dos. Another running, and it was a block by Byron. Too much juice by the boss. Donald with 7-9, excellent set. Still on the service line. Guys, receive, pinasa sa dos, pinabawi, and what a cut shot, and with the help of the net. It's on the floor to over. Donald with a chance ball. Gusto ni Donald yan. Binigay sa toss. And check ball. Point team number 3. Our score is 8-6 still in favor of Team Donald. Donald, Dakota Note still on the Again, okay ka na. Go. Ano ba? Dubai South, nasa ano pa yan? Nasa, depende mo eh. Tubo ba? Service, not out. Daga, by number. May dalawa. It's inside.
KBG2 pasok. Team Bochok pasok. KBG2 Team Bochok. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pasok. Karina Atel, Lorraine, Kami, Mary. At Jones, Calizet, Princess pasok. Okay guys.
Service. Long service. Outside. Too much juice on the service line. Point team. Our score is now. What is score?
Agad, pero ba na pagkain sa Ate Girlie?
12-9.
Ate Girlie, nagbabanta daw ng food. Sino pa ba? May nagbabanta pa bang iba? Si Ate Girlie. Punta ka daw doon. Marami daw gustong bumili sa mix. Ate, ayan na. Sold out na yan. Pagpalit mo. Next game, KBG2 versus Sprite Spikers. Sorry. TS Team 3 versus Panther pala. Team 3 versus Team 5. Team 3 versus Team 5. Panther versus TS. Panther versus TS.
Dagang by Byron. Up by the center. Binigay sa dos. High ball. Tinagap. Dagang sa 4. Chance ball. Miscommunication. But it will say 3. And still not over. Match point, Team Donald. Our score is 15-10. Nice tag-up. Binigay sa dos. Drop ball. Last ni Dylan. Sa dos. Short service. And check ball by Joanna. And miss. And our winner for today is Team Donald. 16-10. Our next game is 2-5. 2-5. Kayo ulit. Our next game po is 2. 4. Parang gusto mo ko yung 4. Alright, next game is 2 versus 5. Dito ka, score ka ma! Di pa. Referee ka na ulit. Baka may naghanap po ng mga ano dyan. Events host. Pwede ko mga wala pa naman. Ito kayo iba. Outside. Service error. Point team number 2. High five ka na. Service, Kuya Oli.